Hello, hola, ahoy, bonjour, oi, привет, hello. Good afternoon to everyone. So today I will be preparing meat rolls in some kind of cabbage leaf here. So I will not make you lose more time. Okay, let's do this. I will add salt on the meat. Now pepper. I will add paprika. Paprika, everything I have here, every ingredients I have here, is it up to you. You can add wherever you want. It don't have to be exactly garlic or paprika or mustard. So you can add every ingredients you want. Is it you can make your own. Garlic, mustard. And now we mix everything. So on the meat, I have here two kind of meat. I have pig meat and beef meat. And now to have those cabbage leaves like softer, we get a little hot water. Is it really hot? And now we add one by one. We keep it in this hot water for 10 minutes. And remember, always add enough water to cover all of them. So then they're gonna be softer. And then when you start to do like rolled meat on it, it's not gonna get broke. Now we cover for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, the cabbage leaves are getting softer. We'll add a little bit salt and pepper in 2 eggs. And now we mix it. And after 10 minutes, just start to make your rolls. We add meat. We add cheese. And we roll it. And now we just have to bread it our meat rolls.